We're looking at homework from section 6.4. This is question number 2. Find the critical values chi-square r and chi-square l for the given confidence level C and sample size n. C is 0.99, n is 15. So we need to find the chi-square values for that C value of 0.99 and n equals 15. Drawing a graph of the situation might help clear things up. So we'll draw the chi-square distribution, which is a non-symmetric distribution, and we'll position our chi-square L and chi-square R values in such a way that the level of confidence, 0.99, is trapped between them, and that the area in the two tails is equivalent to one another. So we put 0.99 between these two chi-square values. That leaves 1% of the total area to be divided evenly between the two tails, which means each one of those tails has 0.5% of the area, which is 0.0050. When we use the chi-square distribution, we're looking at area to the right of each chi-square value. So for chi-square L, the area to the right is the centralized area of 0.9900, and then the right-hand tail. That gives us a total of 0.9950. The area to the right of chi-square R is just the right-hand tail, which is 0.0050. Once we have those values, we can proceed. We'll keep that diagram as a reference and ask our questions. What is the area to the right of chi-square L? It's 0.9950. What is the area to the right of chi-square R? It's 0.0050. And then what are the degrees of freedom? Degrees of freedom are 1 less than the sample size, 1 less than n, which would be 14. So now we can move to the chi-square distribution. We need to remember our values. The degrees of freedom were 14. Area to the right of chi-square L was 0.9950. Area to the right of chi-square R was 0.0050. And now we can find our chi-square L value. To do that, we look for the degrees of freedom in the column on the left, which is 14, and we look for our area to the right of chi-square L, which is 0.995 across the top. That gives us a value of 4.075, which is our chi-square L value. When we look for chi-square R, we look for the 0.005 across the top. Don't get it confused with 0.05, and 14 degrees of freedom. And that gives us a value of 31.319. That's our chi-square R value. And that's the answer.